Get ready to see why the M4 iPad Pro with Magic Keyboard and Pencil Pro is a game changer in the world of tech. Let's unbox these incredible devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're unboxing the latest tech marvels. The M4 iPad Pro, the Magic Keyboard, and the Pencil Pro. These devices are packed with features that promise to elevate your productivity and creativity. Let's dive in. In today's fast-paced world, users often face challenges with their devices, whether it's limited productivity tools, lack of creativity support, or simply the inconvenience of switching between multiple gadgets. Many devices just don't offer the seamless integration needed to tackle these issues effectively. Can the M4 iPad Pro, Magic Keyboard, and Pencil Pro solve these problems? Let's find out. Let's start with the unboxing. First, we have the M4 iPad Pro. Opening the box, you immediately notice its sleek and elegant design. This device is not just a tablet. It's a powerhouse with the M4 chip, providing top-notch performance. Next up is the Magic Keyboard. Its build quality is impressive, and the trackpad adds a new level of functionality. Finally, the Pencil Pro, designed for precision and responsiveness, perfect for artists and note-takers alike. These devices are designed to work seamlessly together, enhancing the user experience like never before. Now let's highlight what makes these devices stand out. The Magic Keyboard features a responsive trackpad, turning the iPad Pro into a versatile laptop alternative. The Pencil Pro offers incredible precision, making it ideal for detailed drawing and note-taking. And the M4 iPad Pro itself. It's a powerhouse with unmatched performance, smooth multitasking, and stunning graphics. These unique features combine to provide a seamless and powerful user experience, perfect for both productivity and creativity. In summary, the combination of the M4 iPad Pro, Magic Keyboard, and Pencil Pro offers a revolutionary solution to productivity and creativity challenges. These devices work together to provide a seamless and powerful experience, making them a game changer in the tech world. What do you think about the M4 iPad Pro, Magic Keyboard, and Pencil Pro? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this unboxing, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxing videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Check out our other videos and stay tuned for more exciting content.